test drive. Take one. You join me in the Indy RX5. This was our old demonstrator vehicle that we built in 2019. It's been upgraded by the current owner to have padded leather seats, windscreen, wind deflectors. It's been completely lined inside and out. This is the 140 brake car, and it is incredibly smooth and comfortable. What a beautiful little touring car. Well, for 140 brake, it's still pretty nippy. So this has got all the standard clocks inside it. Oh, and some air horns. This is such a super smooth car. It is handles these bumps like it's on rails. It's brilliant. What a great bit of fun. Very comfortable in these seats as well, I have to say. Very comfy. I'm not getting blown about. This is like a hybrid of a windscreen and doors package. You don't get blown about quite so much with these little deflectors on here. But it's still nice and nippy. I'm open, but I'm not open. If that makes a lot of sense, which probably doesn't. I've forgotten how good this car actually was. This is brilliant. I love it. 2 if you want to go faster. The undulations of the road, this independent rear suspension, it just grips. It's really good. So what makes it nice to drive? Steering is ever so positive. Comfortable driving position. My arm is quite comfortable. The gears are, as you'd expect with an MX5 gearbox, absolutely on point. It's not creaking at all. And that exhaust though. Gearbox is ever so smooth as well. Like a Winchester rifle, that is. All my steering controls are exactly where I need them. I can just flick the indicators or flash the headlights. I can see my speedo, that's bang on. Nice big gauges. So comfortable, you can feel it bobbing down. It just bobs down, grips the road. Really planted, super duper planted car. This particular car is for sale, but if you want to build one like this, starting prices of this car are currently running at 8,780 for the base model, and that's for everything. You'll need a donor car, and then you'll get basically everything else with it to assemble a car, and it will be exactly like this one. As we said in other films, this particular car has got several upgrades to it. Front brakes, Pro Race 1.2 wheels, the seats, etc. But for the standard car, it starts at 8,780 with standard MAZDA clocks, MAZDA wheels. It is a very, very nice car that you can build at home in your garage just by taking apart the donor car, as you've seen, and installing the engine, gearbox, differential, drive shafts, rear uprights, front uprights, all those bits and pieces off the Mazda into a car like this. And then you too can enjoy the sun. If you want it on the road, if you want it for the track, there's also the upgrade path that you can do up to the 250 horsepower turbo, and you can go big turbo as well, which will be later revealed in some of our other films. So there's plenty of options there for you to get you into a car like this if you want to build one yourself, or if you want to buy one that's already done. We can accommodate most things. Just give me a call and I'll see what we've got available at the time. But in summary, on a nice sunny day like this, with a sort of a half touring pack on, this car is a very, very comfortable ride. It's sucking up these bumps that we go along, and I'm super impressed with it. You don't have to go mad, you don't have to drive fast. It is just a really comfy ride.